In this lesson, 5.3, we're going to be looking at tools to support the connection of information, connecting learning. So all the frameworks and strategies that we explore in this lesson are to do with connecting information. And it's actually in those connections, that's where the great cognitive development happens. Not just having pieces, but connecting the pieces. All of these frameworks will support some of those ideas. And we start with just one of the simplest, which is concept mapping. This is a graph or a visual representation of information that obviously has been drawn and connected. And here's a couple of examples. Actually, this one is to do with plastic detox. So deplastify your life. And you can see all of the different threads going, almost branches heading out from that central concept. A concept map can be drawn in lots of different ways and is a really powerful way to show the connections between information. That's what we're doing here, is we're thinking about how do we connect information. Another great technique and a great strategy is hexagonal thinking. So using hexagons as a piece and then connecting those hexagons and connecting them together to form a little map. When it's connected, we're saying that these ideas are linked. This is a really powerful way of thinking about information and the things that we have learned and representing that little piece of information on a single hexagon. You're going to be having a go at using hexagonal thinking later in the course as you begin to build some of your curriculum map using that same technique. A Venn diagram is a classic sorting diagram, but it also represents how information is overlapping in different categories. You can see an example here, and you can, obviously with multiple categories, we start to see how information might be sorted into different groups, but also connected into groups as well. A cause and effect diagram is a nice way of thinking about the effect. And if we put our plastics hat back on again, that idea of the effect of recycling, the effect of waste of plastics, you could start to explore how that information is connected using a cause and effect diagram. A diamond 9, I wonder if you've come across this activity before. A diamond 9 is a ranking activity. So, for example, you might explore 9 different ideas or aspects of a topic, and you talk about the importance of them from top to bottom. So anything, the least important card goes at the bottom, the most important goes at the top, and everything in the center obviously is on an equal level. The idea of ranking and talking about the ideas is a really powerful strategy to start to help the students connect and explore their learning. You could use this for any type of topic. The most important features of something that you're doing, it could be some of the key, it could even be some of the ideas that you develop. You could start to rank them in a diamond 9. It's a really powerful talking activity that you can use, and is a great example of how we might connect information using these little strategies. Hopefully that's given you some new ideas and some new tools that you can use in your teaching toolkit. And hopefully you can have a go at using some of these with your students, maybe even today.